NDTV's coverage of the stray dog menace has sparked a push for policy changes and solutions to address the issue. Well, the MCT has formed a committee to tackle the stray dog problem, and some politicians have backed NDTV's campaign. The Supreme Court has also taken note of the increasing stray dog population and has urged action to address the issue.
NDTV for running a campaign on the rising issues of stray dogs in religious societies. The government should come up with new regulations which protect residents, especially kids, as there have been rising instances of dog bites. Currently, nobody is taking the responsibility of the stray dogs, be it government authorities or so-called dog lovers. Whenever any incident happens, it is very sad that victims have to run around to get themselves as well as the dog treated.
जब डॉग बाइट्स हो जाते हैं, एक्सीडेंट हो जाते हैं इन डॉग्स की वजह से, ना तो पुलिस अथॉरिटी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेती है, ना अथॉरिटी लेती है, ना ही ये सो कॉल्ड जो डॉग लवर्स हैं ये उसकी ज़िम्मेवारी लेते हैं। ये सब प्रॉब्लम को जो फेस कर रहा है एक नॉर्मल इंसान फेस कर रहा है। एक नॉर्मल इंसान बर्थ कंट्रोल कर रहा है, लेकिन इन डॉग्स का कोई बर्थ कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा है, जिसकी वजह से इनके नंबर ऑफ़ काउंट्स बढ़ रहे हैं। ना इनका कोई वैक्सीनेशन है, ना इनका कोई स्टरलाइज करवाने की ज़िम्मेवारी ना तो डॉग लवर्स ले रहे हैं, ना मेंटेनेंस लेता है, ना ही अथॉरिटी लेता है। मैं अपनी आवाज़ NDTV के थ्रू आप तक पहुंचा रही हूँ। थैंक यू NDTV टू स्टार्ट दिस कैंपेन और मेरी आवाज़ को सरकार तक पहुंचाने के लिए।
I thank you NDTV for visiting Paramount Floraville to cover the stray dog issue that our society is facing from a long time. Your team's coverage has brought needed attention to all the residents. I appreciate your efforts and the impactful journalism on real issues that our society is facing. Thank you.
Here in our society, we are facing a serious problem of stray dogs, wherein because of which our kids and our senior citizens are confined to their homes. For this problem, we really need a resolution as soon as possible. And here I would like to thank NDTV for their campaign of stray dogs. And I really hope that we really get a solution very fast for it, because it's becoming a pandemic now.